Can I work with BetOven if I don't have a computer? This is a question that many of you ask us, and this video is the answer. Basically, many of you come to us with the problem that you do not have a good computer to work with BetOven. Some of you have Mac computers with the latest version chips, which are ARM chips, that are not compatible with BetOven. Sometimes you have tried to make some adjustments with parallels using a BetOven system within Mac, but the reality is that we have many problems in this regard. What is the simplest solution for all of you? Basically, it is to hire a server. Hiring a server is ultimately just renting a computer that is located in the cloud, so to speak, in a very simple way, where we choose an operating system, install BetOven, and work remotely. We can connect to this computer through any device. Now I will show you BetOven, and we can work as if we had a computer. Those are the pros. The downsides are basically that we have to pay a monthly fee, and that we will need to cover it with the profits from BetOven. On the other hand, we will have to work with proxies because the IP of those servers is either banned by betting sites or it will cause us significant limitations. In most cases, these servers are located in other countries, with IPs from those countries, and therefore we will not be able to work on the bookmakers in our country. Therefore, this is my recommendation: work with a server. I will leave you a video in the description where we hired a server, and I will also provide the article where we discuss it, and you will see that it is very simple. We recommend that you use one of the companies we already know. We do not have any affiliation with them. This is simply a sincere recommendation because we believe it is a company that offers a certain quality-to-price ratio, focusing more on price than on quality. Ultimately, it is a way for you to have access to affordable servers that you can easily use, both to try out BetOven and to continue working with it once you have tested it. How do we connect? We are going to connect through an application, the Microsoft application, although we do have various applications to connect with, as always. However, we recommend the Microsoft application, which works very well when we are using a Microsoft operating system. So, I'm going to show you, for example, how we would see a computer. A server, let's say, functioning within Mac. We at Mac connect, and it would be like an additional window that we would expand, allowing us to work on. A server, which is like any computer where we could do absolutely everything. What is the good part? The server is the powerful part. It will be the one doing the work with BetOven. We won't have energy consumption. Let's say that the server will handle everything and we will simply connect to visualize and make modifications. Where can we connect from? I have already shown you that we can connect from a computer. But we can also do it perfectly through a tablet or a mobile phone. I am going to show you, for example, the connection I have from my sound table. Well, in this case an iPad, but it could perfectly be an Android tablet. Can you see it here? I'm going to show you the screen, I hope. It shows up well. Well, you can see that it's basically as if we had a computer inside our iPad, and the same goes for our mobile. We can connect perfectly through our mobile. Here you can see it. And I don't think I even need to provide a screenshot afterwards because it's perfectly clear. Here it is. Basically, it is like connecting to a remote desktop, as if we were essentially connecting to our home computer from another location. This is the simplest way to work with BetOven without having a relatively powerful Windows computer to run it. I know that it is an option that may seem a bit complicated to many of you, but we have videos explaining how to hire that server and how to get it up and running. It's very simple. I will leave everything in the description. And I will also provide a link related to the topic of proxies so that you can understand what it is about if you haven't already, and also to help you choose which one suits you best. And that's all. I hope to answer that question that you have asked us so many times with this video. Best regards.